Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to remove an extension from Google Chrome. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience, but if you no longer need a specific extension or want to troubleshoot any issues, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window. Click on them to open the drop-down menu and select Extensions. Step 3. This will take you to the Extensions page. Here, you'll find a list of all the extensions installed in your Chrome browser. Click on Manage Extensions to proceed. Step 4. On the Manage Extensions page, you'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Scroll through the list and locate the extension you want to remove. Step 5. Once you've found the extension you want to remove, click on the Remove button next to it. A confirmation dialog box will appear. Step 6. Confirm the removal by clicking on the Remove button in the dialog box. The extension will be uninstalled from your Chrome browser. And that's it. You've successfully removed the extension from Google Chrome. The browser will no longer have that specific extension installed. Removing extensions can help streamline your browsing experience and improve performance. If you ever want to reinstall an extension in the future, simply visit the Chrome Web Store and search for the desired extension. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of removing an extension from Google Chrome. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.